Tired of only showing one side of the story? Let's unlock the power of simultaneous front and back cameras on your phone for content that really pops. In just 90 seconds, I'll guide you through multiple methods to record with both your front and back cameras at the same time, turning your smartphone into a multi-perspective powerhouse. First step, the Dual Camera app. Download a reliable app like Dual Camera from the App Store. Open the app and grant it the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone. You should be able to easily toggle between camera combinations, select front and back to activate dual recording, and center or adjust the screen alignment. Hit record. The app will now capture video from both cameras simultaneously. Most apps allow you to choose between a split screen layout, picture-in-picture, or even separate video files for each camera. If you want to edit them independently later, once you are done, stop the recording, and your video will be saved to your phone. If you own a Samsung device, you might already have this feature built in. Open your camera app and look for the dual recording mode, which offers a similar setup with front and back cameras capturing videos simultaneously. Don't forget to explore other apps like Pip Camera or search for double camera video recorder. Note, some older phones may not support certain apps or have limitations, so be sure to read app reviews and compatibility information before you start recording. Check all permissions, test the camera angles, and ensure even lighting on both you and your target. And that's it. You're now ready to create dynamic and engaging content with your smartphone's dual cameras. Experiment with different layouts and perspectives to find what works best for you. Now, go out there, record your next masterpiece. And remember to like and subscribe for more smartphone filmmaking tips.